Check out this 2014 GMC Sierra 1500 SLE. It has an automatic transmission and a gas ethanol V8 5.3L/325 engine. The Sierra 1500 features the following options: windows, power with driver express up and down and express down on all other windows, wheels, 17x8, 43.2 cm x 20.3 cm, premium painted aluminum, bright machined, wheelhouse liners, rear wheel, full-size spare, 17, 43.2 cm, steel, visors, driver and front passenger illuminated vanity mirrors, transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled with overdrive and tow-haul mode. Includes cruise-grade braking and powertrain-grade braking, transfer case, 4WD, active electronic auto-track with rotary dial control, included with 4WD models only. Tires: P255/70R17 all-season, black wall, tire, spare P255/70R17 all-season, black wall, included and only available with RBZ, P255/70R17 all-season, black wall tires. And tire pressure monitoring system, does not apply to spare tire. See it for yourself at Quartz Motors, 102 Orchard Park Road, Hurricane, West Virginia, 25526.